Hi everyone. Today, we have a very exciting review for you, the WA6Y car anti-theft device. If you're concerned about your vehicle's security, this product could be the solution you've been looking for. First, let's talk about the key features. The WA6Y car anti-theft device has universal certification, which means it's compatible with most vehicles on the market. This is great because you don't have to worry about compatibility with your car. Additionally, it features a sturdy and secure locking mechanism that will protect your vehicle from potential theft attempts. Its robust and durable design is built to withstand harsh conditions and provide you with reliable protection. Installation is very straightforward. It will only take you a few minutes and doesn't require any special tools. Furthermore, the WA6Y car anti-theft device comes with a visual reminder, so you won't forget it's in place, preventing unnecessary damage. And there you have it. The WA6Y car anti-theft device is an effective and straightforward solution to safeguard your car from potential thefts. If you'd like to learn more about this product or purchase it, you can find the link in the video description.